So we start off today's video with this hair color and haircut transformation. She has like a pixie faded cut here, and bam, decided to switch it up to this gorgeous rose gold color. This is absolutely stunning. I love the way it looks with the makeup, just so beautiful. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hairstyle ideas. Today's video will feature a variety of hair transformations. Here we see someone with long red hair, and it looks like they have decided to switch it up with a pixie haircut. Not only am I loving the fact that she's decided to switch it up with a pixie, but I am loving this color. It's like the perfect shade of red, and this cut is absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely stunning transformation. And then we see someone with long hair. And she has decided to switch it up to a simple, effortless bob. And then we once again see someone with pretty long black hair. Yes, she finally decided to switch it up with that undercut. Beautiful bob haircut transformation. And then we have another mid-length cut to a bob. Oh wow, I think the stylist is actually going to be going with a pixie. Yes, this is stunning. Beautiful asymmetrical pixie cut, long sideburns, sweeping bangs, gorgeous transformation. Then we have someone rocking an undercut. She has purple and blue hair here. Ooh, so she decided to rock the shaven trend. Oh, very nice. Money piece highlights and the nice mid-length cut. Beautiful. Alright, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out these hair transformations with me today. If you did feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will of course see you in the next video.